Hi everyone, so I just downloaded and installed Python on my new Mac, and now when I am running this Python command from inside of the terminal, I am getting this message command not found Python. Now this is a very simple message that you get. You may start to worry that hey, how can I run Python if it is saying command not found. It's simple. Actually you don't have to run Python, you have to run Python 3 because now you have downloaded Python 3. You are no longer using the old Python module. No, you are using Python 3. So if you hit enter, you can see Python 3.14.7. This is the exact version that I downloaded. Okay, and now here you can do all of the Python related work, simple works. Okay, so for example, if I print hello world, I will have no problem. See, 2 plus 3 5. Okay, so this is how you should be using this newly downloaded Python in 2026 and beyond. Also, I would like to tell you that if you are using some IDE, integrated development environment like PyCharm, then you don't worry. Then you don't have to worry about this version or this way of using Python, because when you are using IDE behind the scenes, IDE are smart enough to figure out which version they need to use. Okay, so yeah, enjoy.